Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Payment BHARATKOSH. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you need to apply for this ARSV NET examination. So without any delay, let's get into the video. First, if you enter the official website, an online application form link will be scrolling on. So you need to click on that particular link. So next you need to click the registration form link. So first step is registration. So you are not required to send the hard copy of the application form to your ARSV. So no need to courier application form. Okay. Next, if you have any difficulty means you can contact them through your mail ID or the mobile number. Okay. So please contact them if you have any doubt while applying. So don't apply with the wrong information. So the application form consists of 5 steps. First you need to register. So click on the new registration button. Okay, so that's the first step. After clicking on, they'll be asking you which exam you want to apply. Since I'm going to apply for NET, I'll be clicking on NET, but there is an option for applying either 2 or either 3. Okay, but only for few specialized courses they can apply for all the 3 examinations. If you are belonging to botany, zoology, biotech, microbiology means you can apply only for NET alone. Next, they will be asking you to type your name, your father name, gender, mail ID, and you need to confirm email by retyping them. Then they will be asking you to type your date of birth, and then they will be asking you to type the category. If you are going to apply an OBC or EWS category, means they will be asking you which category you will be coming on, and they will be asking you to enter the category certificate number and which day the category certificate was issued to you. Okay. Next, they will be asking you few basic details only. They will be asking you. Okay, so they will be asking you whether you are a citizen of India or you are from rural India or urban India, like that they will be asking. And the important step is that you need to enter your permanent address, city, pin code and state, everything. And if your permanent address is same as that of first permanent address means you need to simply put the tick mark over there. Next, you need to enter the mobile number and you need to click on submit button. So once you enter, then they will be giving you this particular dashboard. So both for your mail ID and for your mobile number, they will be sending you all details. So please give a valid mobile number and valid email ID. Okay, so you should not share your registration number with anyone and you need to note it down separately, and then you need to click on go to part 2. Okay, part 2 is that you need to enter exam related information. First thing, in which discipline you are going to apply for. So only if you are going to apply for NET alone, you can able to find 60 discipline, and from that 60 discipline you can able to apply. Okay, so if you don't try to apply for NET, SMS, STO, only few candidate, few discipline, few degree courses alone has the capacity to apply for all the 3 examination. Because initially I was applying for all the 3 examination, but then I couldn't able to find the discipline agriculture biotechnology in there. And then I just contacted them. They just mentioned since I had done my biotechnology, I am eligible only for writing this NET examination. Okay, then they will be asking in which discipline. So in information written, you can able to find the discipline and their respective code. Next, they will be asking you to enter the examination city. First preference. Second, you need to select 3 examination cities of your choice. The 3 cities might be either from same state or it might be from the different state. Okay, so based on your convenience, just select the city code according to you. Okay, so while applying for NET alone, you need to apply. Don't try to apply for all NET, STO and SMS, because for female candidate for writing SMS and STO there is no fee, but you should apply only for NET alone. Okay, only then you are eligible. Okay, so next you need to enter the qualification detail. They will be asking you about matriculation level 10 standard certificate, like that they will be asking you. So regarding to class, I just mentioned first class, like that I had given. I don't know what is mean by class or division. Next they will be asking you to enter the school name, that is your board name. Then since my result is in percentage, I will be typing my percentage and in which date I had cleared my 10th standard. Same for 12th standard also, we need to enter just like that. And next, they will be asking you to enter the graduation details. Like I had done my BSc, I'll be typing BSc. And select a class also I have given plus class first only. Next, specialization and next university. Since I had done my BSc in autonomous college, my college will be coming under Madurai Kamaraj University. I'll be typing. So if you click on university, just type Madurai, then automatically the link will be coming. So you need to click on Madurai Kamaraj University. Then my result was published in CGPA. So I'll be typing the CGPA and the date of passing I'll be giving. Okay, so if you don't know the date of passing, just try to give approximate date. Okay, just give the year alone correctly. Next, they'll be asking whether you have completed your masters. Yes, they'll be asking you the specialization. Since I had done my biotechnology alone, there is no specialization. Just for namesake, I had given biotechnology specialization, plant biotech, like that I had given. Next, you need to enter the specialization as indicated in the master's degree. I had done my MSc in biotechnology, so I'll be typing biotechnology. Next, they will be asking you to type the title of the thesis. Next, in which university and the state where I had completed my master's degree. Okay, so if you are in result awaited category means they will be asking you which date you will be clearing, you will be completing your master's degree. Okay, and if you have done your PhD means they will be asking you about about the title of your thesis, specification, university, and they'll be asking you whether you had previous employment in any ICAR institute. Means they'll be asking you to type the description of your work. Okay, next they'll be asking you whether any of your relatives are working in ICAR institution. Means since they were no, I had given no. Next they'll be asking a few questions, so you need to simply click on no. Next you need to sign the declaration, and then you need to click on the submit button. Okay. So after clicking the submit button, you will be getting your part 2 details have been stored successfully. The third part is you need to upload your photo, signature, ID proof. All the 3 documents should be uploaded in JPEG format only. The photo should be maximum 150 KB and signature should be 80 KB and ID proof should be 50 KB. ID proof might be your Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, whatever it may be. You need to enter the ID proof number. So it should be a valid government issued ID proof. So you need to click on the choose file. You need to select the photo and then you need to click on upload. Once you upload it, you will be getting a message. Photo has been uploaded successfully. Only then you can able to move for the next step. Okay, and they also added please ensure photo, signature, ID proof should be clearly visible or else your application form will be cancelled. Next you need to click on I agree button. If you want to edit means you can edit or else you can click on I agree button so that they can take you to the next step. So the last step is payment. You need to pay your fees. So they will be telling you how much fees you need to pay. Since I have applied in the net category, I need to pay a rupees of 250 rupees. First you need to pay through this BHARATKOSH website and you need to click on that particular thing and click proceed. So once you have done your payment, then you need to re-log in and then you need to upload your payment related details. Okay. So after clicking that particular thing, automatically the website will be redirected to this particular website. So you need to click on non-registered users. Okay. So after clicking the non-registered users, the next page will be directed. So don't get panic about applying through this particular website. This is the first time I was applying through this BHARATKOSH website. Okay. So after clicking that particular thing, then they'll be asking you to enter payment purpose. Then the next step is depositor detail, then confirmation, then at last pay. Okay. So first ministry you need to enter agriculture and the purpose you need to enter examination fee or certificate fee for ARS. Since we are going to write our examination, so a exam fee for ARS net like that you need to type. Automatically if you type net, then you will be getting examination certificate for ARS net, STO, FAO like that you will be getting. Then you need to click on search button. Then so after searching, then actual link will be given over there. Okay, so you need to simply click on that particular link. Okay, so after clicking that particular thing, you need to click on add button. Then automatically the detail will be given by them. You no need to type any detail. Okay, so don't get panic about writing about applying through this particular website. It is a easy module only. So if you have any doubt, then do please tell me in the comment section. So for security reasons, I'm not showing few important details. Okay, so the next you need to type add details. So after that, the next second step will be going where they will be asking you to type your information. Okay, you need to type your name, your address. So your name should be correctly mentioned similar to the name that was given in the certificates, and then they'll be asking you which state, district, and they'll be asking you to type a pin code. So no need to give information for TAN and TIN number and all. Next they'll be asking you to type the mobile number. Next they'll be asking you purpose detail like that they'll be giving, and you need to proceed button. At last, the payment gateway you can pay your fees either through debit card, credit card, net banking, you pay any mode you can pay your fees, just similar to paying through the online websites. Okay, so don't get panic. So the next step is after confirming the payment gateway, the last step is payment. Okay, so you need to click on, you need to enter the captcha code that they had given. At last, you need to pay your fees. Okay, so this is how I had applied for this ARSB NET examination. Thank you friends.